In this video, I will show you how to delete Amazon order history. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Amazon and log into your account. After you've logged in, come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see an option up here for returns and orders. So what you need to do is give that a click. What it's going to do is take you across to your orders page. Now, at the time of recording, it's not possible to delete your order history. However, what you can do is actually hide your orders. Now, the way to do this is if I just scroll through, I'm just going to find one to do this on. So let's take this projector as an example. Now, on this actual order, if you look towards the bottom, you can see a link here to archive order. What this effectively does, it removes it from your order history and it does archive it so it does not appear in your order history. So as mentioned at the time of recording, you cannot delete your order history. Hopefully this will change in the future, but for now, if you actually click here where it says archive order, what's going to happen, you're going to get a pop-up window like this. Now from here, what you want to do is come down and click onto the archive order button just down here. What that's going to do is actually remove this from your order history. So you can see there's another projector there, but that's not actually the one I've just hidden. So again, if I do it on this order here, so this is some paints I brought, so we're going to come down and click the archive order button, and again we're going to click the yellow archive order on this pop-up window, and once that's done, as you can see, it no longer appears and that's now been archived, so it doesn't actually appear in my order history. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.